Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Tech. So guys, today so far I have discovered around 4 methods. So guys, today I'm sharing with you the first method. It is not guaranteed that it may work fully on all devices, but as you can see, this one method is tested on Nokia C22 and Nokia C32 and partly on Nokia C31, and it failed. So guys, I think everybody has heard about something called generic system images. So this video is all about the system images. So as you can see, the device, it is Android 13. Everything you can see there, Nokia C22, device name, it is Nokia C22. So guys, I was talking about dynamic system updates, that is DSU. If you install a custom ROM in your phone, you will find that the phone will push soft lock out. I've tried that on Samsung phones and it is working. So for example, on this Nokia, we are going to go to multi-users. On the phone it is not available, but if you search, you will find it. So let's go to allow multiple users. Don't add a user, not a guest. Okay, then add a new user. For mine, I'm gonna just write Mr. Tech. So there we are. It is creating the new user. Then you have to allow calls and SMS, because if you don't allow that, it may not ask you to text. So I'm gonna allow that. So after you allow that, after you allow text and so after you have done that, it will ask you to set up the user now. So I'm setting up my user. It is now switching. Let's look. Yeah, there it has come. Set up a new user. Okay, I'm gonna click continue. You can see everything it is asking, it is okay. I'm gonna continue setting up a new user. So it is getting my phone ready. There it is a pop-up for soft lock. It is saying your device is unlocked until date 4 2024. And remember guys, that was the last update, the April update. That was the date of the update. So it means that it is not reading from there. So that, I think, it is a weak point of it. So it requires internet connection for the phone to remain unlocked. Look closely the way it is saying. So guys, I'm gonna click there, okay. So it is getting my phone ready. As you can see, it is now setting up a new user. So this process is gonna be long, so I'm gonna try to fast it up. This process takes about, let's say, 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna fast forward the process in order to save on time. So it is still getting my phone ready. So you can see there's nothing else that will happen. I've just fast forwarded my phone, nothing else. So guys, I think it is still getting my phone ready. It takes long depending on device, but I've said it may take 2 to 5 minutes. It is still loading. Okay, it is still loading. So guys, and I forgot to allow internet connection for this user, so I might be stuck on using only Wi-Fi, but that's not an issue. You can enable later. So it is loading. I think it is about to finish. It is getting my phone ready. It is still loading. It is finishing the process now, I think so. So it is just about to finish the process. Then I'm gonna come and set my details, that is Gmail, but because the phone it is yours, there's no need to set the Gmail and the other things that are required. So this may take a few minutes, so let's give it time. It is now getting my phone ready. It is assuming the phone it is new, but the phone is not new. So now it is checking information. Okay, so I think it is now about to ask the login details, but I've said login is not a must. Even me, I want login, I will just skip, because if you login doesn't help too much, because it is not a must you login. So let's see checking it there. That is Google sign in. I'm gonna skip it. I don't need to sign in, so I have to skip. There's no need to send me my email. You can use the phone without the email, but you can add the email later if you need, or you can just add your email right there on this screen. So skip. Okay, then again skip. Account setup. It is loading Google services. Click more, then next. Skip that one. There's no need to set up screen lock, but if you want to set up screen lock, you can set up. This is all about the screen locking terms. Know you're in control, be in your mind. So many things, how it works. This is about educating about a screen lock, but I'm gonna just skip it because we don't need a screen lock on this phone, because we have the owner account and the user account. So set a pin, also skip. But you can set if you want. It depends. If you want to set your phone a screen lock, you can set. So now thanks, it is getting your phone ready. Look closely. So there we are, HMD services. Just allow. Can allow them or just leave them like that, add later, but for my sake I'm just gonna allow it, because later I may need to want to chat with HMD Nokia. So then we proceed. There we are. Look closely. See for apps, even the Mkopa app is not there. The phone has a few apps. It is brand new. You can see it is new. Nothing else is installed in the phone. So let's look in the notification. Here we will see soft lock. It is not available. If you go to edit, see we will see soft lock. It is not there. So now it is reading a new user. So by doing this, I think the device won't lock because mine did not lock. We're gonna give it about other 3 minutes or try to use it to see if it is locking, and also testing if it can access the network and internet, and also calling. So about phone, it is still Android 13 Nokia C22, build number the same, but on this user mode you can't activate developer options, they are limited. So you can see everything is working totally. Let's confirm with YouTube. I don't have an account. Just allow notifications. Try searching for something. See if it is gonna accept. As you can see, it is accepting internet connection. It worked perfectly. I've searched my name. They have searched mrtech. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, as you can see, it has accepted everything. So let's check Wi-Fi. Okay, instead of Wi-Fi, I'm gonna go to settings. Now first we can check if one can call. So there are so many things to check on this new phone. It's not new, actually it is a partition that has been installed. So let's go to settings. We're gonna go to apps. Now let's look for soft lock, because I know on the earlier version they already added it, but so I don't know if it will be showing there soft lock. No, soft lock is not available. Soft lock is not there. Still it is hidden, but on this user mode, all the apps installed on the other owner mode, they have been removed, including soft lock. So here also soft lock is not available. This is a new operating system that is running, very new one. So the phone will lack soft lock, and also other apps that we had installed on the other user mode. So because they have installed the new system partition, that is by changing the users. So this, I said, this is method 1. If this method fails, there is another method where one uses dynamic system update. Instead of using mods, you can install a system image, that is Android 14, Android 15, Android 11, Android 10, Android 7, any you install, so that when you are restarting your phone, instead of booting into the Nokia system image, you boot into the other system image. That is for, you can use Techno, you can use Samsung, any system image that you can get. So I'll be showing you a video with I'll be using Miku UI. I've used Miku UI on the other video to demonstrate how to install the system image. So with this system image, there are only 2 ways to install, either by using developer options or using PC. But you know, on Nokia phones, Mkopa guys have locked the device totally, so that you cannot enable it. So we are going to use, on the next video, we are going to use Miku UI or Cyber OS. Those are just example of system images. So I'm going to try to use Android 14 or Android 15, or also I can try to install Android 13. So when you restart your phone, the first thing after restarting the phone, on the notification it will be showing change the operating system. Once you change the operating system before you restart the phone, it will be booting into the one that you have installed, and the custom ROM that you will be installing, it will be lacking soft lock. So guys, we have tested everything on this phone. We even tried to call and it worked perfectly. So if you encounter an error, leave a comment there. You can say your error was exactly at which point, so that we can know how we are going to repair it. So everything is good, internet is being accessed. Only SIM card, I have to go to change my account to user again to the owner, so that I can activate usage of SIM card, or remove the SIM card of the owner and insert a new one. It will work. See, only Safaricom cannot work because it is locked, but everything is working well on this phone except the network. So guys, leave a comment there, like this video and share to your friends. Method 2 is dropping next on YouTube on the same channel. If this did not work for you, we got you covered. You'll just thank us later. And also there's another option for enabling bootloader, that is unlocking OEM. So for that to unlock OEM, you have to unenroll the device from software completely. So that is for another day. So guys, thank you for watching.